are tempera cakes, which are basically liquid tempera, but dried out. And I have two different kinds for you. Some are neon. You'll need a cup of water, a paper towel, and a paintbrush, just like normal, and a placemat if you're going to the edges. What you have to do is you have to add water. Without any water, it won't work, just like watercolor cakes. So you dip your brush in water, you get it nice and wet, and you rub it on there. If you only rub a little bit, you get a light color. But if you rub it a lot more, your color starts to get darker and darker and darker. However, notice that I'm not taking my paintbrush and jamming it in my paint and breaking it. I'm using just the tip and a gentle pressure. Wash your brush when you want to change colors to keep your paints nice and clean. I also recommend drying it off to get rid of any extra paint. So remember, wet your brush to activate it. And you rub, 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 rub. Keep rubbing. If you put a lot of water on there to start, it's going to start out really light. So keep that in mind when you dip your brush back into that water. Tempera cakes dry really, really fast, so it is hard to mix, but you can overlap them to make your colors mix. But they do wash off your clothes, which is really nice. Do you see how my yellow here is really dirty? I wet my brush and I'm rubbing it to help get it clean, because you don't want to leave that color dirty for somebody else. It's not nice. You can also use a paper towel and wipe it off. Now my yellow is usable again. And then do you see how my green looks like a donut? It still works. All you have to do is wet your brush and you rub around the edges, not in the middle. The middle has no paint. The edges hold all the paint. So just because you see a donut, it still works, which is really nice.